Ka exam HSSLC belapinya deke embus kelawan ra jingkmen haki samla khamtam na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School kibayo rung haka top 10 list. Kaya iri dapin subswed na umlingka kalawan haka fourth position ha science stream kala ay kublay yukpa kinohikay bat ka school kibla kirshan ya ka watla kala madru ikajing haka porpuli. Ha art stream ka Priscilla Limlinti Lingdo kalawan haka 7 position kalaong baka pindan kam kilat kung ke internet AI YouTube bat Google bat kadon gejing temu ban yakun haki competitive exam haka bansawan ka Josephine Bariapan kabayo haka 10 position ha arts kalapin pau baka dap da gejing smokeman hadian makala poy ka top list watla kamshim lakmi lenti kalaong baka social media kalong gejing kerku ladatip bat nang man pindon kam hok kini kijing job ki pin ba kijing tre shitom kijing ang nut bat jing kershan ki kmi ki pa bat kilat korlat ki wanra kijing job
Kandeng jang ka day to dapat subscribe but na science stream ngayo put nga so comment nga la to shitom ay ngo rio blay bala ay ka bor ban ka la ay ka met ka bakya kino hikay ru email par bala dan ringkat haki por banga dan kami email kesan ka por banga la do jeng gamen bala dan ringkat lang ban makin ba ay ka teachers school nga tuition do kaya option sam subon ki jeng ala do jeng gamen jeng group tamba email par la dan ringkat mo ki yang nilai kajing testom tekan sasiu ya kau kasi napan draw nang tanga shipet ni movies ngam lawan specify kajing tu jangan tambah hake ke bana yang testom yang continue gitu kai school kita kiba kesan mungkin kiba yang bahasa dan menipara sekitar kita sih क्या आप शुभोर खमतम की फिजिक्स का केमिस्ट्री लाबन सॉल्व की डाउट्स के लाबन
di Josephine pada di maka art stream pada yo karan ka shop ning ko ra semua yung play una ay akan kalat ba makan expect yung siya ko kala yo siya mo kam so toy ba ko di play la pun la ra la ay bo yang mo di aslo hun no kas ko kam thok changa ba minta kan ka result mo galam kapan shisha ya ngamda kawe ngit ba kawe kan komputer chung kam de bun kre kan kan ta we kasi kada consistency di kre kindak dia kat dala pe kan result dia kat apa ke exam dia kham la pha di nga kan kam kre chung kham kre ado kata kat sa kan ta mo akhre ado mos ar like kan ta kunto kan kan ta ka stress ni nga ngi kwa mo ban le pha di tang katai ngai kai tang bat teng ni skong kum la akhre amla teng kita ke social media ka jang pe jang ka de ka ru confuse jang fi ada pinang benus kalong helpful shisha ya rap pi ba pin mang stay in contact with ka ik ida baja ka ba thai but ada pinang benus ka don ki downsides ka de dia asha na chin lang jang nga plan ban pursue ka BSc psychology and this kalong textual path di reading pe ki all question papers ini lah ban predict ik untuk mat di ngabun mga pet na kat hi tang badadan ki bangam sutu di nga pet na kuntu mat ki Google bang tho ki poetry katai mga shilya we thought poetry di ba hoy ka jipun kre kalong ka chami hendai ka result ka juba kalong mulai di hoy ni ban trishitam tamang di ban panbon mulai
I am Priscilla Limlinti Lingdo. I am from St. Anthony's High Secondary School and I secured the rank top 7 in the Meghalaya Board's HSSLC results. So I would like to give a piece of advice to you all that the most important thing is time management. You need to manage your time as well. You need to focus on your studies, but you need to focus on your hobbies as well. Time management is indeed very important, and a piece of advice is you need to remind yourself that a minute of your experience can lead to a lifetime of regret. So the way that I prepared this exam, it was yes, hardships will always be there. I studied from 5 p.m. to 2 p.m. You need to know your strength and your weaknesses. For example, my strength is studying at night and my weakness is studying in the morning. So I focus myself more on studying at night, and I know my strength and my weaknesses. I discovered my own method of studying, which I find that mind mapping is most useful for me. I can study well, and you can also use the help of social medias. For example, Meta AI, YouTube, and ChatGPT. They can help you study, and you get more information. And I'm also grateful to my dearest teachers. They have helped me a lot whenever I needed their help. My future plan, I wanted to opt for political science. I'm also planning to take part and to participate in these competitive exams, and I have taken admission in St. Anthony's College.